What does this traffic sign indicate? A. A footpath. B. The start of a traffic calming zone. C. A prohibition on cycles and mopeds. The correct answers are A and C. This sign indicates a designated footpath for pedestrians. On such a path, cycles and mopeds are generally prohibited unless otherwise specified by additional signage. What do these traffic signs indicate? A. No entry, 100 meters ahead. B. A customs post, 100 meters ahead. C. A one-way street, 100 meters long. The correct answer is A. This sign combination indicates that there is no entry permitted at a distance of 100 meters ahead. What does this traffic sign indicate? A. A numbered underground car park. B. Tram line number 3. C. A numbered diversion. The correct answer is C. This sign indicates a numbered diversion, guiding traffic along an alternative route marked U3. What do you do within this danger section? A. Drive more slowly. Watch out for wild animals. B. Dip the headlights and brake when you see wild animals. C. Do not avoid hitting wild animals if oncoming traffic would be endangered. The correct answers are A, B, and C. This sign indicates a danger section with wild animals for the next 3 kilometers. You should drive more slowly, watch out for animals, use dipped headlights and brake if you see them. This traffic sign is displayed on the right-hand curbside. What does it indicate? A. The end of an absolute no-stopping zone. B. The start of a limited prohibition of stopping zone. C. The start of an absolute no-stopping zone. The correct answer is C. This traffic sign, when displayed on the right-hand curbside, indicates the start of an absolute no-stopping zone, meaning you are not allowed to stop your vehicle even briefly, for any reason, from this point onwards in the direction of the arrow. What does this traffic sign indicate? A. A toll road. B. A customs point. C. A prohibition on through traffic. The correct answer is B. This sign, displaying Zoll and Duan, clearly indicates a customs point ahead where vehicles may be stopped for inspection. What does this traffic sign indicate? A. There is absolutely no problem in driving at 60 kilometers per hour. B. I may not drive faster than 60 kilometers per hour. C. The recommended minimum speed is 60 kilometers per hour. The correct answer is B. This sign indicates a mandatory maximum speed limit, meaning you may not drive faster than 60 kilometers per hour. What must you anticipate with this road sign? A. Farm livestock on the roadway. B. A dirt-covered roadway. C. Wild animals crossing. The correct answers are A and B. This sign indicates that you must anticipate farm livestock on the roadway and also a potentially dirt-covered roadway due to their presence. What must you do when you see this traffic sign? A. Reduce speed before the bend. B. Drive as far as possible over on the right-hand side. C. Indicate left before the bend. The correct answers are A and B. This sign indicates a sharp right bend ahead. You must reduce your speed before entering the bend and drive as far as possible to the right-hand side to ensure safety. What do these traffic signs indicate? A. No overtaking for 3 kilometers. B. Roadway with 2 lanes in one direction for 3 kilometers. C. Start of a no overtaking area, 3 kilometers ahead. The correct answer is A. This sign combination indicates a prohibition on overtaking for the next 3 kilometers.